Welcome back, children. I hope you have watched your first episode, first video on bank reconciliation statement. I have provided the link in the description box. Please do so if you haven't. Introduction of BRS showed what is BRS. So we are preparing a BRS here, a sum. It's here. Bank balance as per cash book. Your cash book balance on 31st of Jan is 25,000. You haven't been given the passbook balance. Obviously, you have been asked to prepare a BRS on 31st Jan. That means definitely the passbook balance does not match with your cash book balance. So we will find out with the given things, the reasons of difference here, what would have been the passbook balance on this same date. Okay. Checks issued. So basically we put this is our starting point. Bank reconciliation statement, date and the bank balance as per cash book is given to us. I have written debit here, although it is not stated here. But what do we assume? Yes. If nothing is said, we assume that bank balance is a positive bank balance. Positive matlab debit. Debit meaning I have deposited more in the bank rather than withdrawn from the bank. Alright. So this is a positive bank balance. I have made two amount columns here. This is just for the sake of calculation, nothing else. So put the given amount, given balance in the outer column there. Set. Checks issued worth 15,000 during January. Now be very clear here. We are talking about the situation, the position of the bank balance on 31st Jan. So whatever happens in the month of Jan is important. It will affect the balance on 31st Jan. So here we have issued checks, meaning we have made payments of 15,000. So this would have reduced my cash book balance. Fine. My cash book balance stands reduced by 15,000 checks issued during the year. Did all these checks also, were they presented to the bank for payment? You all know that I issue a check. But the person to whom I have given might not present it in the same month because the checks are valid for 3 months. Very simply. So, he has the option of not presenting the check during the month of January. He might present it in February, he might present it in March. Whenever he presents, the bank will make the payment. So, there is a time lag. I record whenever I issue the check in the cash book, but the bank will record whenever it makes the payment. So there is a difference in the time frame. So it is given that 15,000 checks, worth of checks have been issued, fine, but presented only 8,000 during till 31st January. So till our BRS date, 15,000 worth of checks have gone from my cash book, but only 8,000 worth of checks have been debited, taken out, paid from my bank account. So passbook balance has gone down only by 8,000. Alright. Now we are arriving at the passbook balance. So जो भी balance हम arrive कर रहे हैं, जिस भी balance पे, okay, I'm writing it here for your sake. So balance as per passbook. That is what we are trying to find out here. Okay. I don't know. If this is less, I will subtract. There's a difference, right? I either need to add from the cash book balance something to come from cash book to passbook, या फिर उसे subtract करना पड़ेगा because या तो ये कम है या ज़्यादा है, depending on what has went wrong. यहाँ पर क्या होगा? Cash book balance 15,000 से कम हो गया, लेकिन passbook balance सिर्फ 8,000 से कम हो, right? Therefore, my passbook balance is still 7,000 more than the cash book balance. 7,000, the difference between them. These 7,000 worth of checks are what? Checks issued but not presented. That will cause a difference. Yes? Checks issued, recorded here but not presented, not recorded here. This is one reason of difference between the cash book balance and the passbook balance. Is that clear? So, the reason of difference, amount of difference is 7,000. How do I put it here? From here to here, this is less, this is more. So I will have to add from a lesser balance to a greater balance. I will have to add this 7,000 to 25,000 to show that my passbook balance is 25 plus 7 32,000 होगा अगर यही एक cause of difference है तो obviously yes. So I will add it here. I will write the reason. Checks issued but not presented. 7, I put it in the inner column, 7,000. I also show here how I got this 7,000. Simple. Alright. So here, that is how we will proceed with each and every reason of difference here. Alright. Done. Now, checks worth 9,000 deposited during January. Deposited मतलब हमको चेक मिला, I have put it in the bank. I told you in my introductory video also that it's not mandatory that today I deposit and today only that it reflects in my bank account. It might take a day or 2 or 3 days maybe to reflect the balance. So there is again a time lag, just the way it happened here. Checks worth 9,000 deposited. So what do I record in cash book? 9,000 पैसा आ गया cash book बैंक में. But out of these checks worth 4,000 were credited on 2nd Feb. Mind you, 2nd Feb is after the BRS date. 31st January तक not all checks have been credited in the bank. How much was not credited is causing the difference. ये जो बाकी का जो 5,000 है जो मैंने डिपॉजिट किया और वो क्रेडिट भी हो गया, that is not causing the difference. 5,000 up in cash book, 5,000 up in passbook, no difference. But it should have gone up by another 4,000. What? The passbook balance, isn't it? That means it is less. If this is less, I will have to subtract. My cash book balance is more by 4,000. Therefore, to arrive at this, I do less checks deposited but not credited. 4,000. Here I found out the difference. Here I had just put the same amount. This is one place where children get jumbled up. क्यों? कब difference निकालना और कब वो amount ही लिख देना है straight. You just have to focus what is the amount causing difference, children. Okay? And that amount causing difference will be checks issued not presented. Here 8,000 was given presented in the month of Jan. That will never cause a difference. Difference किससे होगा? The checks which are not presented. That is why I subtracted this. Here 4,000 worth of checks are credited on 2nd of Feb. Obviously that means they were not credited in January. That means that is the amount of check deposited but not credited. That should cause the difference. इसीलिए यहाँ पर minus नहीं किया 9,000 minus 4,000. No. What the difference? The total of the bank debit column was overcast by 600. Overcast meaning added more. Overcasting. Casting meaning the totaling. किसका ज़्यादा हो गया? Bank debit column. Okay, the total of the bank debit column. Obviously of the cash book we are talking about. Okay, in the cash book, the bank column was on the debit side was overcast. Debit side means receipt side, isn't it? You've done cash book. Debit side of the cash book meaning the receipt side. I am showing cash book में receipt ज़्यादा हो गया है. But actually नहीं हुआ है. Of course, bank will not make the same error as I have made in the cash book. Correct? Therefore, my cash book balance has increased by mistake. My passbook balance is less by 600. So I do less. Less error in casting the cash book. This you can write it in your own statements and all that, rigid. Main है कि less करना है. Then bank charges 50 and interest on savings account balance is 1,000. Where it recorded in the cash book. Okay. Some transactions originate from the cash book set. पहले वहाँ record होते हैं, बाद में passbook में record होते हैं. Some transactions originate from the bank and then they are recorded in cash book. Obviously, bank has charged certain 50 rupees. I don't know. I was not informed. When I saw the updated the passbook, I saw. Or maybe then SMS was sent to me, I did not see. So I did not record in the cash book. So cash book does not record sometimes what the bank has done on its own. ऐड कर दिया, इंटरेस्ट दे दिया बैलेंस पे 1000, पासबुक बैलेंस बढ़ गया, बैंक चार्जेस were deducted, पासबुक बैलेंस went down, nothing is happening on the cash book side, you are not recorded. So 50 rupees bank charges, when bank deducts, the passbook balance will go down, so I will less. Cash book में तो record नहीं हुआ ना, it has not gone down by 50 rupees, that is more, this is less. So less is bank charges not recorded, 50 rupees, and also we have not recorded 1000, but this is not deducted, this is credited to my account here in the passbook, है ना. तो passbook में 1000 आ गया बैंक अकाउंट में, that has increased, but I have not recorded in the cash book, so that is less. तो ये ज़्यादा है तो ऐड करेंगे. Interest on account not recorded, 1000. All these things done. Now we total up. Why have I put this in the inner column? Because total I will add. Both these things should be added here. 7,000, 1,000. 8,000 I will add to 25,000. It becomes 33,000. Then with these amounts, my passbook balance is less, so I will subtract all of this, total it up. 4650. That's the total of the subtract, minus, put it in bracket. Deduct करना है ना 33 से. So this was cash book balance, add 8,033 minus 4,650. So 350, 1,000, 520, 8,350 is my balance as per passbook. Okay? Correct. Is this clear? So this is how I arrive at it. Now, balance as per passbook, I put it as credit. Is this coming positive? The answer 25,000 and 28,350, both are positive balances. A positive bank balance as per passbook is credit. Always remember, a debit in cash book is equivalent to a credit in passbook. Why? Because these are two different parties recording it. Whenever I deposit something into the bank, it's my asset. Whenever the bank is receiving something from me, it's a liability for it. It has to return it to me. Are you understanding this? Therefore, these are like mirror images. यहाँ का डेबिट कैश बुक का पासबुक में क्रेडिट होगा, and vice versa. Okay, so this is basically a short sum on how you're supposed to make the BRS. We'll do more of practice in the coming videos. Keep watching, do subscribe, like and share. Thank you so much.